Good Friday morning, everyone. So it's Friday, our last day of doing our online lessons. So let's go to your homework for today. So please look at the last pages of your homework pack. So this is the first page we are going to do today. We're going to review the letters C and K and the letter sounds of these letters. So now I will help you try to answer this one because as all of you know, letters C and K have the same sound, which is the sound. Okay, so let's start. So the first picture that we have here is a carrot. Carrot. Okay, let me get my pencil first. Carrot. Okay, let's make the sound 2 times. Carrot. Carrot. Now let's write the here. The letter that makes the sound is just a curved line or like your ear, one of your ears. Okay, there you go. Now next picture is a kangaroo. 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 Now we know that the beginning sound of the word kangaroo is, but which one is it? Is it the letter C sound or the letter K sound? Yes, we're going to write the letter K here. Standing line, a slant line, and another slant line here. Very good. Now, the next picture is a key. 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 Now, what letter will give us the sound of for the key? Is it the letter C or is it the letter K? It's the letter K. Okay, and the last one is a cat. 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 So what letter will we use for the word cat? Yes, so it's the letter C. Very good. So after you write your answers, make sure you... Okay, so now it's time for us to color the picture. So make sure that you use the correct crayons when you color the picture. So of course, a carrot is orange, right? And then I'll put a little bit of green here. Wow. I'm done with my carrots. Okay, so the kangaroo will be brown. Make sure when you color, you're using the real color, the color in real life for each picture. Okay. Next is a key, so any color will do. So I want it to be gray. And the last picture is the cat. What color can we use for the cat? We can use orange, brown, gray, and even black. Remember Halloween? So I'll use black here. So black. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, so the next page of your homework is this page. Again, we're going to review the letter C and the letter K sounds, which is the sound. Okay, so first picture that we have here is the kite. Kite. So now we know that the beginning sound of kite is, but what letter is that? Is that letter K or is it letter C? It's the letter K. So right here, the letter K. Very good. Now, the next picture is a corn. 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 So what letter are we going to use? You have to choose between letter K and letter C. Yes, it's the letter C. Okay. And the next picture is the fruit kiwi. Kiwi. So what letter are we going to use for the word kiwi? So it's the letter K. And the last picture here is the cupcake. 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 So what letter are we going to use for the cupcake, which has the sound? Okay, it's the letter C. There you go. Now make sure you color these pictures again. I'm going to use my paint bucket. I want color yellow for my kite, but I'm going to use different colors here, which you can also do, but make sure you color nicely and within the picture, because you have lots of time now to color each picture nicely. Okay, yes. So I'm going to put a little bit of purple here and purple there. Yes. Okay, wait. It's hard for me to get it. Okay, I made it a little bit bigger. Yes. Okay, and here I'm going to use, let's say, orange. Okay, we're almost done with the kite. So we're going to color the next picture, which is the corn. Let's go to the next picture. So what color is the corn? Yes, it's yellow. So I'll get yellow for this one here. Oh, I have to go through one by one to be able to finish coloring the corn. Okay, so make sure you're also doing it on your paper right now. Okay, so if I cannot finish this one, so we can be fast. Okay, just make sure you color it nicely and don't leave white spaces there. Okay, then let's use brown here. Yes. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. Kiwi will be brown outside and green inside. Okay. Okay. So, okay, and the cupcake, let's see, it's white here, white, and then let's say it's the strawberry red. Okay, just brown. And then the topping will be, yes. Oops. Yes. Okay. So we're done with this page. Let's go to the next page. The next page is just practice. Oh no, wait, I'm not yet done. Not yet done. Down here, you have to write the lowercase letter for the letter C and the letter K, which is very easy. Just make a smaller version of each letter, but make sure for the letter K, okay, so standing line, and then start in the middle, make a slant line and another slant line. Very good. There you go. Let's go to the next two pages of your homework. practice writing the letter C, which is very easy again. Start from the dot. Start from the dot here, go around, make a curved line or an ear. Make an ear. Going, 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 going. Yes. And then another letter C here for the lowercase letter C. So make sure when you're done with this one, done tracing, then you do your own here. Make sure you touch the line up there and touch the line down here. Same thing with the small letter C, touch the line up, touch the line down. Yes. Let's go to the letter K. The last page of your homework will be the letter K. You will be practicing writing the letter K. Standing line. Wait, I'll make it bigger so you will see properly. Okay, standing line, make sure you follow dots and the slant line and another slant line here. Okay, again, standing line and a slant line and a slant line. Very good. Okay, so that's it for today. That's your homework. And that's the last homework for our online lesson. So I will see all of you on Monday. And we're going back to learning in our classroom. So I am so happy to have that kind of news to you, to give that news to you. Okay, so I'll say goodbye for now, and I'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye.